Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Kia remote key fob. First thing what we need to do on this key fob is remove this little screw here at the top of the housing so we can split the two halves of the case to gain access to the key fob battery. Okay, so we get our Phillips screwdriver and we just simply remove the screw. Like so, and now we can just gently split the case in half, like so. And we just remove this housing. This is where the key fob battery is. Now we get a larger flat-headed screwdriver. And in this little indentation here, we can put the blade of the screwdriver, and we need to twist it to the unlock position, which is just here. Let me just demonstrate. Just got to be gentle so you don't damage the case or anything. And there you go. See how it's twisted down to the unlock position? Now we can get a smaller screwdriver and just flip the cover off. Like so, and there is your key fob battery. Just pop it out of its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR1620, like this one. We just simply pop it back into the housing, making sure on this particular one that the writing is facing downwards on the battery, and you know it's in its correct location. And now it's time just to pop it back together. You just need to line up the arrow with the unlock position, like so, and get your large screwdriver again, and just twist it so the arrow is pointing to the lock position just there. Now you know it's secure, and just pop the housing back with the blade. Like so. Just pop the cover back on, make sure everything lines up. And now we just pop the screw back in. There you go, it's all done.